When I was young, my mom used to make us chocolate pudding from a mix. That made me think that it must be really difficult to make from scratch. But I wanted to know. And I learned it's a snap. We're gonna make some chocolate pudding today. You can use any kind of chocolate when you make chocolate pudding. I've chosen dark chocolate because they say it's healthier, and I wanted a healthy chocolate pudding. I know it's a stretch, but go with it. It's creamy and rich, delicious. This is the bomb. Enjoy. Kitchenette, a little kitchen with a lot of flavor.